Shopping and negotiation. How much is it? How much does it cost? I am a regular customer here, please consider giving me a discount. This price is way out of my budget, please see what you can do. Please quote a fair price, I'll be happy to buy 5 of these. My friend bought something similar for 20% lower price, please quote a fair price. I'll be needing 10 of those boxes. Let me know the final price. This amount is final. It is irreducible. Excuse me, do you have this in another color? Do you have this in extra small, small, medium, large, extra large? I want 2 of these. May I see it? May I see this ring? Can I try it on? I like that one, that red one, that blue one, that one in the corner. Do you have this in different color? I love this color. Do you take returns? I want to return this hat. Do you accept credit cards? Can I pay with my credit cards? Can I get a receipt, please? Can I get my receipt, please? Can I use this coupon? Could you gift wrap it, please? Are there any sales going on?